and gentlemen, welcome. So today I have a special unboxing. This is one of the limited edition 350s. So this is one of the most popular 350s this year. And what is special about this is just 70 pieces launched in India. So I'll be giving you a full review on this limited edition 350s and why you should get your hands on this. So let's go to the video. So today's unboxing is about the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. So what is special about these Yeezys? This is just 70 pairs launched in India, and who all have to get their hands on it, they have to win by a lucky draw. And not just that, these are going to be one of the most popular Yeezys launched this year. So let's have a thorough look at the box. So before I start my video, I would like to thank the Adidas original store at Lulu Mall for giving me the opportunity to unbox this special product today. So not much about the box. It's a normal, like the regular 350s, a normal cardboard box with the 350 emblem mentioned on top and the name of the product, the V2 Carbon, already on the tags also mentioned, and it can be easily pulled out. That's the specific about this. So these Yeezys have attention to details by Kanye and Adidas, making it one of the coolest and popular Yeezys right now in the market. So the Yeezy Carbon is still using the prime nip upper and using a blue and purple color shades to give it a midnight black effect. And the contrasting black stripes on either sides give this shoe a premium crazy cool look. The lacing right now is infinity bungee lacing. So what this does not have ends. So this gives you the style and solution for your laces sticking out. But if you want the old laces, there is an additional lace in the box. To use the lace, to tighten it, you just have to pull it and your shoes are comfortable again. So these lacing is more comfortable than the regular laces. So this is one that I love, and it provides the style the Yeezys should have, because the laces otherwise sticks out or you have to tie it like this. So this is one of the cool things. So the sock line has a reflective material on top of here, and the insole has the Yeezy branding with a super comfortable insole. So because of prime knit upper, the fitting is snug fit. But before you buy your Yeezys, try on a pair because they have half size bigger than your regular sizes. So like the other Yeezys, this Yeezy does not have a heel tag, so making the shoe more sleek like a sports car. So this shoe has contrasting color between the prime knit black upper and the translucent vintage white outsole. And the outsole has boost that gives you premium comfort. The colorway is not too white, not too flashy. So this can be used as your daily shoes, and because it has boost, it will give you super comfort. So to get your hands on this will be very tough because it's just 70 pieces. That's where we come in. If you want like these products, the premium, you have to come to the store or call the number I'm giving below, so they will help you out with these products. The Yeezy V2 Carbon is premium, but it's not the price that makes it premium. It's the quantity that is given to India that makes it premium. So if you want to get like these premium products, rush to Adidas Originals at Lulu Mall. They have all the collections. So I'm so happy today because these Yeezys are for a special person, and I'll put up the link for the next video so that you can watch how we do home delivery for the special person with all the safety. And on top of that, if you like such products, do call the store and we will hook you up with some super collection. And if you have forgot to subscribe and like, do subscribe and like. And if you have any question of anything about Adidas products, do comment and I'll try to respond to each and every one of you. And until next time, Nahaazz Khaan.